Hello viewers, welcome to my channel EC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today in this video we are going to discuss an important scholarship sponsored by Indian Oil Corporation on the name Indian Oil Scholarship for the year 2020-21. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, CAM, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I have been work as scholarship in charge and especially the international scholarships. And from my college, 30 students has got 100% scholarship to do their higher education in Turkey universities. And these students are from down-prone families. And these students has done their B, Science, Commerce, Arts, BCA, and they got the jobs in Turkey as well as in India. And one of the students, after completing the B, he has gone again for integrated PhD program in US. That is what I have the credit, and I'm again promoting the national scholarships to my college students. And I have realized that students are required support in the form of scholarship to pursue their higher educations. Now I have a lot of time is there, and I have learned to how to upload the videos on YouTube channel so that I can reach maximum students and they can aware about the scholarships and they can apply and complete their dreams. So here the criteria is simple. That is the first criteria is there that the marks. That is the marks is the one of the criteria, and second one is their income. If these two criteria they fulfill, then you are going to have. So there is no reservation, such criteria are there, but Indian Oil Corporation, there will be a certain criteria they have been made for SC, ST, OBC they have made, but rest of the scholarship, where I am uploading now the scholarship regularly in a week, so there you will find out that most of the corporations are not keeping any reservations. It was open for everyone. Only the income and the academic percentage. These are the two important requirements. So today in this video we will see Indian Oil Corporation scholarship for the year 2020-21. So this particular scholarship is there for 10 standard. After the 10 standard, yes, those who are in 11 standard, those who have taken admission in ITR, engineering, MBBS and MBA stream. So for these particular courses, this scholarship is there, and website www.iocl.com is now the important dates now. Publishing the date of official notification. This is I got it from the portals, various scholarship portals are there. Buddy for study, that is the portal is there. From there I have picked up this material, but notification will be come out in July 2021. Submission and last date of the application online is October 2021. Dates will be notified, and the notification itself, just these are the month are there, important month is there. Then merit list and publication date will be there in the month of November 2021, and IOCL award the scholarship is again in the month of November 2021. So these are the important dates. Everyone has to remember that July 21 they are being notified on their website. Similarly, those portals are there. You can go on the portals, scholarship portals. For Buddy for study is there, or so many are there. I don't remember the remaining one, but I know because last so many years I have been gone on this website and I am checking the various scholarship data. So you have to go on the portals and find out the important scholarships which are there. Slowly I'm also uploading, because I'm uploading NCC videos, I'm uploading geology videos, and at the same time simultaneously I'm preparing the scholarships. So intention of the Indian Oil is the same one, that whatever the need of the students are there, that they are the meritorious one and they require the support to fulfill their dreams. So here the Indian Oil Corporation is giving the support in the form of scholarships. Now for the higher studies, ITR, engineering, MBBS and MBA students. Now what they are going to get it from this particular scholarship? The organization who is going to apply giving this scholarship is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. What are the rewards benefits? Up to 1,44,000. Application is online. Beneficiaries are the student and session will be from 2021. And applicants will be UR, SC, ST, OBC. Yes, this is the, we have the public sector companies there. That's why here we have the reservation. Otherwise, if it is a multinational company, then there will be a no reservation. But here, there will be a reservation. UR, SC, ST, OBC. Then location, all India. It is for all India. And website is again www.iocl.com. Yes, all the websites which are there, the information which is required for a scholarship, all the students, applicants has to go on the official websites and they will be fill the form online. And 2021 scholarship which is there, it is merit cum mean scholarship. That will be announced as a merit cum mean IOCL scholarship. Eligibility and criteria are the two important aspects for the scholarships. And the applicants must be well aware or inform about the date of children. So that date of children we are taken in the beginning itself, so that can come to know what will be there. So June to July, that is every year that scholarship will be given. So that will be fluctuation is there. If you want to know which month of this year will be without the scholarship application, visit the website regularly. Yes, without any online, if you want to submit the application, you have to go and check it on their website if any information is given offline. The applicant must be follow the prescribed application. Whatever the prescribed application is there online, they have to go on the website and you have to, that prescribed form they have to fill. Indian Oil Authority will release the information brochure with the application. Everything will be in the notification. They will be giving you the brochure as well as the form. Instruction they have to read very carefully. And they have to fill all the details on the website. Yes, they inform already the dates and everything which have been already done. They are informed. Then applicant should not leave a single space gap. If you left any one of the option, then your form will be rejected. So your form should be complete, neat. So whatever you are going to upload your certificate also, they should be in a high resolution. So we remember, once it is declared, immediately within the 10 to 15 days you can complete. So no need to that, up to the last date you can go. If you go into the last date, server will be jammed and there may be anything may happen that whatever we have been going for the net cafe, there will be no broadband, then what will happen? Date will expire, you are not going to apply. So don't make that mistake. So once you see this video, if you are eligible for this scholarship, so prepare whatever the document which are required. First, make the hard copies properly maintained in a file. Then go and make the high resolution scan copies. Keep it into your pen drive, and as soon as the website, the brochure is there, read the brochure carefully, each point, and after reading all and understanding the points, then you can go to the form online and fill all the detail carefully. 1 or 2 times you have to check what you have been fill. Whatever the percentage is there, say example 84%, don't make as a 94%. If you make a silly mistakes, and if for this is the fraud, is false information, your form will be rejected. And scan copies of the signature, photographs, everything will be required into the application. So that also will require. And the successful application, once you are submitted, you will be in the eligible candidates. Then there will be a merit list will be there on the basis of all India and whatever the quotas which are there, the number of scholarships which are given in that particular quota. And if you get that particular merit list, or the merit list will be done on the two bases. One, the academic record, and second one is on the basis of the income. These are the two important criteria. On the basis of that, they will be make their merit list, and those selected candidates are there. They will be informed them, and they will take their what we have, the forms verification, the certificates which have been uploaded. They will be verify that. So the eligibility for IOCL scholarship is there awarded to the student who are decided upon the state-wise applicants. Yes, there will be the quotas will again they were done on the basis of the state-wise, and total number of candidates to have clear 10th in the last year, not last year. So that is there. So now the IOCL 10 scholarship eligibility criteria. The candidates who has qualified 10 board and are pursuing 11 or in the first year of 10 plus 2 are eligible to apply for this scholarship. So those students who are there in the 11th standard, 11 and 12, they get this scholarship. Then those ITR, the applicants who are pursuing the first year of ITR, means they are taken the admission this in the current year, and wherever the admission they are taken in the ITRs, they should be recognized one. The engineering general category, the marks will require 65%, ST, OBC 60%, PWD, that is the physically handicapped student. Yes, that is the student will be 50% marks. Then MBA, general category 65% marks, SC, OBC 60%, and physical handicap will be for 50% marks. Then the class 10 plus courses, that is 11th and ITI, 65% for general category, SC, OBC 60%, and the physical handicap will be for 50%. For MBBS, this will be given 65% marks for general category, SC, OBC 60% marks, and PWD for 50% marks. Next very important one, the gross income of the family. Yes, the annual family income of this particular in the year 2019 and 2020 should not exceed 1 lakh rupees. So here the downtrodden families, the economically backward students whose income is less than 1 lakh, for them this is the scholarship which has been announced. So if you are there, then you have been eligible. And that particular certificate, income certificate, have to be issued. Now who is going to issue the certificate? That state, unitary or central government, their authorities. So magistrate normally. So magistrate will give this particular certificate. So they should get the income certificate. The very important one, the age limit. Yes, the minimum age is 15 years. Those students who have passed the 10th standard, minimum 15 years or 16 years, they will be clear this 10th standard examination, and maximum 30 years as on 1/7/2020. That means the person born between 1/7/1990 and 1/7/1999. Both date will be inclusive. If that dates above that it is gone, then 31/6/1990 he will not eligible. So these are the age limits. However, there is a relaxation will be given for 3 years for OBC candidates and 5 years for SC, ST candidates, and 10 years for person with disabilities. That is PWDS is permissible. Now, very important one, the scholarship reservation is 49.5% scholarship is reserved, and that is the distribution is given as SC 15%, ST 7.5%, OBC will be 27%. So only those listed in the central government OBC list will be considered. Remember, those OBC list will be considered in the central government, not in the state government. In the central government, they will be considered as the OBC quotas. Very, very clearly they have been mentioned here. 25% of the scholarship for the girl student. So whatever the quota is there, out of this quota, 25% will be kept for the girls. 10% scholarship for the person with disabilities. Minimum disability should be 40% as per the definition of Disabilities Act 1952. And all these reservations which are there, they are on the all India basis. Is now the whatever we have the criteria, they are thoroughly read that particular criteria and they have to fill all the eligibility criteria. Those who are pursuing MBBS, engineering and MBA, they are from recognized universities. Similarly, those who are there in the 11th and IIT also, they should be approved from the recognized institute. The next one, how the student will be selected. The application must be provided their stream is my mistake. Now you have been there in ITIA and you have been at the time of filling, if you make out that 11th standard, then your mistake is there. So your form will be rejected. So the criteria which is there, you have to fill properly because there are 4 or 5 different scholarships are there for different criteria. There is 11th standard. ITI is there, MBBS is there, MBA is there, engineering is there. So student has to be see carefully when they are filling the forms. Now, what will be the amount? The scholarship amount is there. For MBBS per month, this scholarship is there per month. That is Indian rupees 3,000. MBA, Indian rupees 3,000 per month. Then those students after class 10, means 11th standard and ITI, they are getting rupees 1,000 per month. And for engineering, again, the 3,000 rupees per month. These are the scholarships which are given. Only the eligible candidates will be awarded the IOCL. Those who are not been qualified, they will not be given the scholarship. The candidates' marks in the first year of the current session will be taken into the consideration because November is there, might be in that first semester is there, that marks will be going to count. The percentage of calling examination will be counted on the basis of the total marks of all subjects or entirely academic session of undergraduate degrees. There will be tiebreaker option applicable to avoid confusion of same marks by the different boards and university. Yes, so there they have, if there is a type is there, then they will be see the marks, then the next one they will go again to the next one, there is a next examination. Say example MBBS is there, then 12th standard, then 10th standard, if it is there in the last, it is all matching, then they will go for the last ultimately the income. Now, what are the documents you have to be uploaded? What are the important documents you have to be submitted along with your application? First one, Aadhaar card, voter ID, income certificate. If your age is less than that, then voter ID is not eligible. Caste certificate, if you have the caste certificate, then for last year mark sheet, passport size photograph, residential certificate is, and any ID proof, that is a bank account is. The important thing which has already been shared with you, online application, the helpline numbers are there, 9810421827 or 9810422305. So these numbers will be busy because all India level students have any problem, they will always calling. So don't make a mistake. Once it will be announced, is there, announcement is done, within the 3-4 days you have to read properly this particular brochure and start filling these applications. And the email ID we have given for iocel@cfeitest.com. I hope this is clear. Those interested, those are eligible for this particular scholarship, they can go for this scholarship. If you are not eligible, then try to make the awareness among your family friends, in your groups, so that maximum student can get awareness, and those needy students are there, they can, up to them it has to be reached and they can apply for the scholarship and get the scholarship to pursue their dreams. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.